Maybe you're one of those people who scoff at stretching sessions at the gym. Whether you already enjoy them or not, I think you can appreciate what I'll tell you in this neuroscience office hour. Stretching does require muscular force, and actually lots of it. The reason is that you are a vertebrate animal, and as such, there is only one thing that your brain can tell your muscles, and that is to contract. I explain it in my crash course, but in a nutshell, that is one of the only 3 things that your neurons can make happen in your body. They can make cells secrete stuff, they can make smooth muscle in your organs and blood vessels contract, and they can make the muscles attached to your bones and facial skin contract. And that's it. Notice that at no point did I mention relaxing your muscles. If you weren't a vertebrate, you might have neurons that directly tell your muscles to let go and relax. But you're not. And yet, you know that you can relax your muscles. Your muscles can become elongated or stretched, which is the opposite of the shortening of muscle fibers, that is flexing or contracting your muscles. So how do you do that? By contracting other muscles. To stretch the muscles that flex your hand, you need to actively contract the muscles on the opposite side of your forearm, which you can help by contracting a combination of muscles in your other arm to pull on the fibers that contract your forearm. To stretch your triceps, you need to do this convoluted thing using a bunch of other muscles to tuck in your forearm, lift your elbow, then push it towards your back. Contracting your back will help too. So it takes a lot of effort to stretch just that one muscle in the back of your arm. Want to stretch your quads? You have to use a whole lot of core muscles to stand up straight, plus at least one arm to forcefully pull on your foot, and good luck grabbing that foot, then bending it behind your back. I think you get the idea. Since you cannot command your muscles to do the opposite of contracting, which is stretching, then it takes a lot of effort to force a muscle into submission and oppose what it is always doing, which is contracting, even if just a little bit, which is what gives your muscles their tone, unless you're deeply asleep. But that is a topic for another visit. Come back soon, and I'll also tell you about the other type of letting go of muscle contraction, not stretching, but relaxing your muscles. How can you possibly do that? I'll tell you at the next Neuroscience Office Hour.